Florida Plus Conventional Program. Down payment assistance is an excellent tool to help you purchase a home and minimize out-of-pocket costs. A couple videos back, I talked about the Florida Assist second mortgage and how effective now they are offering $10,000 on both government and conventional loans. But that's not the only down payment assistance program out there. Today I want to talk to you about the 3 to 5% Florida Plus Conventional Program. The Florida Plus Conventional Program is available throughout the entire state of Florida. They'll offer you 3 to 5% of the total loan amount that is given. Every year, 20% of that second mortgage is forgiven, and after 5 years of living in the home, the second mortgage is fully forgiven. That sounds like a steal to me. Keep in mind, this program is only available for conventional loans, and you must be a first-time home buyer in order to qualify. To start the pre-qualification process, give me and my team a call. We're looking forward to helping you and your family. Thanks for watching today's video. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more mortgage content. We're the Mortgage Firm Tampa, a local lender serving clients like you.